Hey everybody, it's Jimmy Grapponi here with J Park Carolina Living Real Estate in Charlotte, North Carolina, serving North and South Carolina home buyers and home sellers. Thanks for watching this video today. If you like what you see, please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're watching on YouTube, and follow me on Facebook or Instagram or wherever else you might be consuming this content. Okay, today I want to talk about do you want to sell your house? You better price it right. All right, so this is today's blog on my real estate website. So you go to jimmygrapponirealtor.com and you can scroll down to the bottom and find the blogs on there. So today we talk about pricing your home correctly and the importance of it. So as I scroll down here, there's this little chart right here. It talks about three ways that you can price your home. You can either price it too low, you can price it too high, or you can price it according to market value. And there's dangers on both sides of pricing on market value. If you underprice your home, you're giving up value right off the front, right off the bat. Number two, it's going to decrease your future buying power if you end up selling for less than what you could have gotten it for. And number three, it's going to deter skeptical buyers. So think about it. If you're in a neighborhood where comparable homes are selling for $500,000 and you list for $400,000, people are going to think, oh, must be something wrong with this house. We might want to stay away. Or people who are looking in your price point might not even look at the house. All right, number two is if you overprice the home. A couple dangers here. The home could sit on the market for a longer period of time. And there's a misconception that people have that if the home sells really quickly, then you must have underpriced the house. No, if it sells quickly, you probably priced it correctly for the market. Because homes that are priced correctly are still selling pretty quickly right now. But if a home is overpriced, it's going to sit on the market. It's going to accumulate days on the market, which are going to show up as a red flag. When nobody makes an offer or buys the house, people are going to know that either the home is overpriced or that there must be something wrong with the house if it hasn't sold yet. So those are some red flags. And then also, if the more time that you spend on the market, you're actually likely to end up getting less value. Your best chance of getting full price offer on your house is actually the first 2 weeks that it's listed. So price drops, that can send the wrong message to buyers. But if you're sitting at a certain price for a long time, you're going to have to lower the price to reignite interest among potential buyers to get their attention again. And then you end up pricing out potential buyers. I use that 500,000 thing again, or example again. If everything comparable is selling for 500 and you list it for 600,000, well, you're going to miss out on people who would have been legitimate buyers for your house. Those $600,000 buyers are probably looking at nicer homes than yours, honestly, or in a more expensive community. So they see your home as not being worth the $600,000, and then the people who could have bought it for $500,000, which is what the house is worth, are going to miss out on it completely. So the third option is to price your home at market value. With that option, you're going to attract more buyers. You're going to get more interest in your home immediately when you first list the house, and you're going to have a better chance of selling it in the first couple of weeks. That's likely going to lead to a higher sales price. And if you price it just right, which is going to be right at or maybe even just slightly below, not a lot, but maybe just slightly below market value, then that's where you potentially get the multiple offer situations if you have a house that is priced right, that's in great condition, that's a desirable home, that's a popular floor plan, even in this market right now, January of 2023, and I think really heading into the spring and summer markets, we're going to see some multiple offer situations again. We're not going to see as many as we've seen in the past year and a half, but we are going to start seeing some of those. And then that's going to lead to a faster sale. So who doesn't want to sell their home in the shortest amount of time for the most amount of money? Isn't that every home seller's ultimate goal? So bottom line, homes that are priced at current market value are still selling. And to make sure that you price your home appropriately and maximize your sales potential and minimize your hassle, let's connect. I'll provide a full CMA, which is a market analysis. That's going to show what other similar homes have sold for, what market trends are happening. And I've been doing this for 10 years. I'm pretty good at knowing what the market value of a home is and where you should list your home to maximize your home's value. Look forward to talking to you again. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you're thinking about buying or selling a house, let's connect. Talk to you soon.